Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, your girl. If this is your first time or you just did dengue post for YouTube or you never subscribe to this channel, make you consider to hit the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos or you go just know anytime we put video for here. So for this our platform, thank you for coming around again. So for this our platform, we dey do 4 things. The 4 things wey we dey do, number one, if you get anything wey dey bother you and you don't know how to go about it or you don't know what to do, the thing dey confuse you, you don't know which decision to take, come this platform. Because they say a problem say is a problem half solve. Then number two, you dey find the bone of your bone, the flesh of your flesh, your soulmate. Come this platform, you go get am too. Then number three, you dream, you no know the meaning of your dream, and every time this dream dey come and you go sleep, you go just wake up, you go say what's the meaning of this dream? On this platform, no matter how the dream strong, kokoroko kakaraka, you go know the meaning by the special grace of God for this platform. Then the last but not the least, your walking stick, you know the function well, or your womb dey hot, come this platform, you go know what to do. Then if you dey okay, doctor say you dey okay, your husband dey okay, both of una dey okay, but the pikin never come, maybe na the direction, una need to change direction wey una take dey jogodo. I will lead you to the part 3 of one of my topic, the part 3. Just go there, you will know, and you change that direction, you go see am say the pikin will come. And then many people, they don dey give testimony, and more testimony will continue to come in Jesus name, amen. So today we wan talk about one of our sister. This our sister, so he say dey see una, no be me o, he dey see una for here, na him say he wan come see talk him own, and this him own na come strong pass all of them. Abeg carry your chair, sit down, make you lis ten. Instead of you to go dey think, just sit down dey lis ten to wetin dey happen for life, so that you go learn from there. So I wan just play little of her voice record so that una will get small message from there. Then later I go tell una the koko. Una lis ten small.
You know, as Europe they be now, some of us these girls, and so we just born. So my story, Marty. So I don't really know what to do. So I just confused because they watch your platform and they see many similar case like relationship like this lady. When we say you talk about Nana, when we say the man go like say he wife don't die like that. And even that story I even just watch finish now to get a motivation to say, okay, make I tell you this thing. So and my story, mama. So may you still put up for the platform, see tell them, make them talk. And you feel play some of the voice notes, because I don't go like me people.
Okay, so I hope una lis ten to that little voice recording. I hope una lis ten, and then na she permit me to just play small piece. That make me play that part for inside, because if they no permit me I no dey do am. That's why you see say I will talk about song, but I no go play anything. Then song, I will play song. So wetin really happen for here be say this our sister, this our lovely sister, she say when she dey Nigeria, when she dey house, he say she fine well. He say I dey come get one boyfriend. He say the boyfriend too, the boy fine. He say because say two of them fine, they come fit each other, they come dey call them twins lover. He say na so dem dey, they love theirself, na so dem dey carry theirself dey waka. He say every time the guy go dey tell you say make dem come swear blood oath, make dem come swear blood oath. He come tell am say no, he no fit to this blood oath wey be say if you die he go die, he no fit to. He say the boy come say no be so blood oath be, say na depends on wetin you talk when you dey swear the blood oath, na e take dey work. Say dem no go talk say if he die she go die, say no be that one dem wan do, na love na dem wan do. She come say no, say she no go do, say she dey fear. Say na so dem come rest o. He say so 2009 if I'm not mistaken. He say she wan travel out. As she wan travel out, the guy come know say she wan travel out. Then the guy come tell am say as you wan travel out so you must come swear this blood oath too, because if you comot now without say you no swear this blood oath, na be say you don share garri be that, because the relationship work well. Say now she come talk say no, she no fit to. In dey fear. Say no fear. Dem no do that one of die. Dem wan do the one of love. Say make dem do am. Say because as their matter come be now, if she travel out, he know say he must definitely see black guy for that side and he must date them. And she too, him too wey go dey here, he no fit just sit down say him just wait for am, say he no chop ample. Una dey understand me? He say because he no be stingy person. If the guy go there, you see any guy, if he give the guy ample chop, and he wey wan dey wait, he too he go chop ample. He say the most important thing be say if the girl give her ample heart and he chop ample for house, but at the end both of them go still come together. Una dey lis ten o. Both of them go still come together and that ample go come be for him permanently. He say na be the oath wey dem wan take. I hope una dey lis ten, because this story dey go far. Una lis ten carefully. May I repeat am again? He say he no be stingy person. He know say if she go that side, he go meet black guy and that black guy go chop ample. He say and he wey dey house dey wait for her till she come back, he no fit stay alone, he no fit lie, he go still chop ample. He say but the most important thing be say if she come, that is finally say she come house, the ample go come be im own permanently. E no be for anybody. Na be the oath wey dem wan swear. I hope una understand wetin I dey try to talk. He say as he come talk like that, na he come say okay, no problem. He go do, say the guy come bring needle. Na so they shook themselves. They come exchange the blood vow. Na so she come carry akanya come Europe. He say as she come, e just dey 3 months when she come. Then she jam one correct guy. He say the guy he hold pepper. He say him money, he pepper dey smell. He say he hold money. He say na so he like woman well. He say he get woman, many women everywhere. He say they come begin dey talk. Being na say she aside, she be fine girl, she correct too. He say they come dey talk for that 3 months, but they never see each other because they no dey the same state where they dey far. But they just dey communicate for over 1 year. They dey communicate, but they never still see each other. He say everything wey he dey do, he dey tell the guy for house, because that one don already permit am say make he do wetin she wan do. He say so na so they come dey o. He say then that guy come over, come visit her for her sitting. The guy come stay hotel. Then they come dey together, you understand now. They come jogodo. He say so he still tell the guy. He say so after some time, any small thing and the guy don quarrel when they are so when they swear all together. He say this small thing they don quarrel. Any small thing they don quarrel. When they say wait, any small thing go say you do this one, you do that one. He say normally if they quarrel, say they'll just resolve themselves. He say but this time around, when they quarrel, for 3 months, this guy no call. Nothing. He say and he already dey with this one wey he dey with. Say come say well, make it just be like that. Make dem dey like that. Say na so they come dey o. He say he no tey when he dey with this guy. He say he come get belle. He say when he even get belle sef, he say he dey very happy because the belle be like surprising thing to him. He say because when he just come, he come dey with one white guy. The white guy come tell am say he wan make born for am. Say come say okay. They come try. After some time, she no get belle. The guy really want pikin. Now the guy come take am go hospital. They come check her pregnancy, this thing. When they check her, now they come talk say the abortion wey she do for Nigeria years back, say na this thing tablet na she take, say the thing damage her guy the egg, say so to get pikin for her to be pregnant, e go be that kind 30% over 100. Say so she no be that type wey go just quick get belle like that. He say so as doctor tell her, and he no still get belle with this white guy, na just come leave herself. She not gonna take prevention again. Just say time to doctor don already talk and say she no quick get belle. Say so she not gonna prevent herself. Say she come surprise he come get belle. He say you get belle. He never even know say you get belle. After some months, now him friend come dey tell am say you no know say you get belle. Say because he never even put mind, because he feel say the belle no go just come like that. Before he come go check, they come say she don dey almost 3 months pregnancy. He say na he come leave the pregnancy, and when even dey house no dey call am again. He say he just dey inside train one day, that one just call am, tell am say how you dey. He come say this guy don abandon me since now he dey call me, and I don already get belle. He say just still open up to the guy say I don get belle see he get belle for this guy now, because he tell you that as you not call me again cause am. Say the guy no see talk anything o. He say so this guy wey he get belle for be na say the guy he dey na the guy come even say me no worry, me leave the pregnancy, he go marry am. Come even call them him friends say he don see babe, he don see wife wey he wan marry this and this. Now they come say as you waka kporokere reach, you don finally settle down. He say no, everything was so good, they come dey stay together. He said the guy was treating him fine. He said but when you just get, he not say when he born the first one, he just born the second one. He said the guy just begin dey treat him anyhow. He said the guy just change. No be as he be before, now he be. He say any small thing he don give am disgrace, he go give am disgrace for inside house, he go give am disgrace for public. He say the disgrace no be small thing o. Wey be say maybe they all dey public, they say your wife, he go say which wife? No be my wife o, no be my wife o. Say he go dey shame. He go say why this man dey give me public disgrace like this, and the way the guy dey do to am. He say even one day sef, the guy come lock am for outside because of say he pick call. You understand? He say he come tell him mama say see wetin dey happen. Now him mama tell am say my pikin just be patient o. Say because you remember your papa, because him own papa marry many wife, and him mama be first, and him mama say he be patient when your papa marry many wife. He no comot, he know why he no comot. So he no want make you comot, stay with your man. Even though say you get other women, stay with your man. You know, he no want make you comot go dey born for another place. He say but the guy was unbearable, the way the guy dey do and all that. He say now he come dey fear say abi na the blood oath na be the problem. He say so he come call the family for house. He come tell them say before he comot, see wetin you and this boy do. He say na the family come say okay, e get the way they say they do am, they will go do am for her. He say they come still go do am for her for their village, how they say they do that kind thing wey dey exist, wey the children dey do. Say then the father come warn am say no ever do am again, no good. Say he come tell the papa say no be that one of die he do, na the one of love. Now papa say all of them are the same, whether na love, whether na die, say all na the same, make he no ever try that kind thing again. Come say yeah. He say but the guy went to of the day house. He say na so that is any small thing quarrel, and beside that the guy now he just lie down for flat. That is nothing dey work for the guy again. The guy wey be say na be the big boy wey people dey look up to. Right now the boy has nothing, na down na he come dey. He say because when he find out, they say anybody wey he do that kind thing, say the person come marry, say the thing dey bring the spirit, dey bring the husband down. He say whether na him come dey bring the man down now. He say he no know, say because he confused with the way everything dey be for the man. So na so the guy dey disgrace am dey go anywhere, everywhere. He say he come tire, and anytime they just tell am, you know say if we African now, once woman don born for you, na dey together, they don believe say na your wife, whether you pay dowry or you no pay dowry. If they just call am say where your wife, go say abeg no be your wife o. He say the guy no dey understand anything. At least sometimes when they dey public, if he dey do something, maybe he go wan correct her in a way with style, e go just do am open. Maybe she wan correct her in the way e style, say no do like this or na like this, e go just do the thing open, e go just be like say e damn her. He say so all these things dey make her dey vex for this the father of the children. He say because she no wan really born for here and beside that, he say that guy wey e be say e dey house, he say that guy dey worry am 247. He dey tell am say may he come back, he go marry her, because the guy now say what about the guy, since then the guy no marry, no born. He say the guy no marry, no born. Say the guy dey tell am say make he come back, despite say he don born 2 children, he go still carry am back. He say but he no want really go back to the guy, say because he know say all his her soul, her body belongs to that boy, all his soul and her body dey tell her make he go back to that boy, even though say he dey sleep, he dey anything he dey do, all him mind still dey for where that boy dey for back there in Nigeria. He say but for her to come carry her children come comot go meet another man, he no know whether his children go forgive her if dem grow up come know say he born dem for one man come go meet another man again. He say he no know whether the children go gree forgive am, whether dem go understand her situation. He say na be wetin she dey think now, or make she just sacrifice her happiness and bear all these things wey this guy dey do for her because of her children, make she bear am, make he stay with this guy, or make she follow her soul and her heart wey dey tell am say make he go meet the other one wey dey Nigeria, because that one is still willing to accept her back. But the children, or make he sacrifice her happiness for the children. Wetin una think make this our sister do for this kind situation like this? Wetin you think? If na you dey her position, wetin you go do? Abeg my people, my precious people, my responsible people, my valuable people. This matter is strong o. Me, I no know wetin I wan talk, because she say her soul, her body dey disturb her to leave this man and go back to Jordan one. But her mother don give her serious warning, say make e no try am, despite as their papa chop egusi, chop ogbolo, chop oha soup, ofonugbu reach, she no comot. She still stay the marriage. Na she be the first wife with many other wives for her back. She no comot. So make e no hear say e comot for this e husband house, make e stay there, make e born all her children for one place. Wetin you think make she do? Una hear her, she say na when she dey hear matter and na wetin dey disturb her for mind, na im be this one. Una tell her what to do, because this blood oath of a thing, me I surprise say still dey reign. I remember those days, e get one time we come dey rain, people really do am. And I know one woman wey do am that time. The woman no marry, she no born before she die, and they say the guy wey she do am with, that one marry, e born. But e be like say the thing na one person dey come affect. I no understand that part sha, because this one own now, e say this guy never marry, never born, but she now she don born, but she never marry. E be like say na one side na I no understand. So my people, if you know say you get idea on this matter, or you know solution to take dissolve that blood covenant, abeg my people, make una tell this our sister. If na to dissolve am and just stay with the father of her 2 kids, her children, so that peace go reign again. Maybe if you fit dissolve this blood or this spirit, so maybe things go come dey okay for your husband again. Because I believe say, because I tell her, I say you no feel say person wey first get, e no come get again. You no feel say na that thing dey pepper the guy for body, because I know say maybe dem people, friends, they fit dey accuse, dey tell the man say you fit get money, or you wey be everything before, since when you marry this girl now you no get again. You no think say na that one be the thing? He say na truth I talk. He say even the family sef dey vex for her, the friends dey vex for her. They say since when the guy take know her, na everything take spoil for this guy. So maybe na all those things wey the guy dey hear na make am dey get all this pepper body, or na the spirit wey follow the oath. I no understand that part, but I know say if you marry man, the man fair get, and after na don marry, na don dey again, come be say to eat na problem for that man. No be all men dey fit bear am, no be all men. So men, that pepper body, e go be like say dem choose the wrong woman, dem choose the wrong wife. The pepper body dey lead dem to do different kind of things. Why some dey fit bear am? Wetin una think? Na because of the blood oath na im make the man come fall go down, wey no come get money again? Abi na nature, or na the way things come be? Wetin una think? And I beg you again, if you know solution to this blood oath, because I hear say they say no solution once dem don do, except say one person before solution, the other person go come dey okay. I no know that na true too. I no wan clap hands. I no know that na true too. So make una just leave una comment, and God bless you for watching. Thank you for your voice recording and your comments. Please, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos. I am your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl. True dreams. Thank you so much for coming around again, and stay blessed. Bye. See you on our next video.